Thumbs Taro. Once upon a time, an old man and an old woman lived there. The two of them were living without any inconvenience, but I don't want to miss their children. So when I asked Kanan-sama, strangely, my grandmother's thumb swelled up, and a cute boy jumped out of the tip of her finger. The boy was born from a finger, so it's only the size of a finger. My grandfather and grandmother named him Taro and raised the boy carefully. One day, Tsumi Taro, who was playing on a sasa boat in the river, was swept away by the sudden heavy rain and was carried to the sea. Then a big tie appeared there, and I swallowed Taro's thumb in one bite. Well, what should we do? When I was thinking about how to get a thumb Taro out, luckily, Thailand took the fisherman's ame. It looks like a delicious Thailand. Let's eat right away. The fisherman put the tie on the cutting board and sprinkled a kitchen knife. I can't stand being cut with Thailand. So Taro's thumb is in Thailand's stomach. Suttonton in Stetikatan. And when you start dancing, Thailand will turn around as if it were alive. Oh, there's something inside. When the fisherman carefully judged the belly of Thailand, Taro thumb appeared from inside. When Taro thumb told the fisherman about what had happened so far, the fisherman was pitying and took him to his grandfather and grandmother. After that, Taro thumb got rid of the demon, got the treasure, and was filial to his grandfather and grandmother. The end.